Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a curious and playful kitten named Pooth. Pooth was known throughout the village for his insatiable curiosity and his eagerness to explore every nook and cranny. One sunny morning, as the villagers went about their daily routines, Pooth felt a sudden urge to venture beyond the village borders. His heart raced with excitement as he imagined the wonders that awaited him beyond the familiar streets dot with his tiny paws and bushy tail. Pooth set off on his grand adventure. The world outside the village was vast and filled with unknown sights and sounds. Tall trees towered above him, their leaves rustling in the gentle breeze. Birds sang melodious tunes, their colorful feathers captivating Pooth's attention. As Pooth strolled along a dusty path, he encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch, the owl's large round eyes twinkled as he gazed down at Pooth. "Little one," the owl hooted, "remember, curiosity is a gift, but it must be tempered with wisdom." Pooth nodded enthusiastically and continued his journey. Along the way, he encountered a busy group of ants working diligently to gather food for their colony. "Hello, little kitten," chirped one of the ants. "Curiosity can lead to discovery, but remember to be considerate of others' spaces." Taking the ant's advice to heart, Pooth tread carefully, making sure not to disturb the ant's hard work. He soon reached a bubbling stream, its crystal clear waters inviting him to take a sip. But just as he was about to take a drink, a friendly fish popped its head out of the water. Curiosity should be balanced with patience, the fish gurgled. Sometimes waiting brings the sweetest rewards. Pooth decided to take his time, waiting by the stream until he felt a drop of water touch his whiskers. The taste was refreshing, and Pooth realized that sometimes the journey was just as delightful as the destination. As the sun began to set, Pooth found himself in a beautiful meadow filled with blooming flowers. He watched in awe as butterflies danced from flower to flower, their wings painted with vibrant colors. Pooth couldn't help but ask, "Why are you flying around so happily?" One butterfly paused to answer, "Curiosity opens your eyes to the beauty around you. Embrace the world with a joyful heart, and you'll find happiness wherever you go." With newfound wisdom, Pooth spent the night under the starry sky, feeling grateful for the lessons he had learned from his encounters. The next morning, he decided to head back to the village, eager to share his experiences. As Pooth returned to the village, he realized that his adventure had taught him important lessons about curiosity, patience, and kindness. He discovered that curiosity was a treasure to be cherished, but it should always be guided by wisdom. He understood that patience and consideration for others were virtues that enriched every experience. And he learned that by approaching life with a joyful heart, he could find beauty and happiness in the simplest of things. Pooth's adventures had transformed him into a wiser and more thoughtful kitten. As he shared his stories with the villagers, they listened in awe, inspired by his journey of self-discovery. From that day on, Pooth became known not only for his curiosity, but also for the valuable lessons he had learned during his grand adventure. And so, the curious kitten who had once set out to explore the world beyond the village became a beloved figure in his community, a source of inspiration for young and old alike. And whenever someone felt the spark of curiosity, they would remember Pooth's tale and embark on their own journeys, ready to learn and grow, just as he had done.